Hi, this is Joe from powerofattorneyform.com, and today we're going to go over the four main power of attorney forms for Connecticut. Now, if you don't know what power of attorney is, real quick, all it is just a legal document that allows you to choose anybody that you want to act for you for financial or medical decision making. So, let's get started. The most common and most popular power of attorney form in Connecticut is the durable power of attorney form, which is all the way to the left over here. Now, what this does, it allows you to choose somebody else to make financial decision-making powers on your behalf. And the reason why that this is so popular is because that if you, the principal, become incapacitated or told by a licensed medical physician that you can no longer operate with a clear mind, this form stays valid. And so the high uses that this is for people with, say, if you are going to be going under a risky surgery, or you have dementia coming on, or Alzheimer's, or any one of these things which might be mind-altering symptoms, and you need someone, or you think you need someone in the near future to handle paying your bills and all your financial obligations, then this form is highly recommended. Mainly for the fact that it, because of its validity, if you become a vegetable or just can't do the things that you used to be able to do, this form stays valid. Now, another form that complements this form, and a lot of times is signed and done and downloaded at the same time, is the Connecticut Medical Power of Attorney form. And it sounds exactly what it is. It allows somebody else to handle all your health care decisions if you aren't able to do so anymore. And they can be treatment decisions, facility decisions, and if instructed, the right to end medical treatment. Uh, but the difference between these two forms is, with durable power of attorney form, the minute that you sign this form, someone can start acting for you for financial decision making. And with the medical power of attorney form, you can technically start right away, but it's more meant for when you have a condition and you just can't do it anymore on your own, and you need people to even drive you to the doctor's office or be around you all the time. So these two forms again really work well together for those types of instances. Now, moving over to the right, over to the general power of attorney form, this is just like the durable, except for the fact that this becomes void if the principal becomes incapacitated or told by a licensed medical physician they can't think for themselves anymore. So this is very popular among business partners uh, or giving to your accountant. Say you're going off to Florida for the winter, or you're just out of town and you need someone to cover for you. This is a very popular form, and again, you still want to have someone that's trusted, but you can have a little bit more leeway seeing as you're alive and well and you know what's going on. Now, moving to the right one more, this is the limited power of attorney form. Now, this is very useful in cases where, say, you need someone to pick up certified mail for you, or pick up mail for you at the P.O. box or at your office. You need someone to pick up a car for you. This form allows you to give someone else a single or a couple of specific financial powers, and all that they're allowed to do are just those things. And once they complete a task, if you want, the form can become void. Also, just like general power of attorney, if the principal becomes incapacitated, this form becomes void. So that's a quick explanation of the four main Connecticut power of attorney forms. Now, to make these legal, what you'll need to do is get these signed in front of a public notary. Now, if you don't know what a public notary is, don't worry. All you have to do is just go to the nearest branch bank. They'll have a notary on staff, and if you have an account with them, most oftentimes they'll do it for free. And you'll just need the both of you, the principal and the attorney, in fact, will have to both sign in front of a notary, and then bam, your power of attorney form is legal. And you don't need to file it with any government agency. All you need to do with the Connecticut power of attorney form is just keep it on you, and it's good. So that is the 4 main Connecticut power of attorney forms.